Hello and welcome, children. Now we are at the third portion of the story. Gopal has already bought the fish and he has brought it up to the palace. Now he has to enter the palace, and till now nobody has asked about the Hilsa fish. So now he is planning to go inside, but you can see in the picture that there are two guards. Okay, these are the two guards who are not allowing him to go inside because he is just dressed like a madman. So maybe they couldn't recognize that it is their courtier. Okay, he's the it is the most intelligent courtier of their country, Gopal. They couldn't recognize him, okay, because he was dressed in that ridiculous manner. So they are not allowing him. They are saying you can't go and meet king. So they are saying to get him away, but he doesn't listen. Rather, he starts dancing and shouting and making noise. So these things are being in we can see in the next picture that this is the now this is the scene from the inside the palace. The king is hearing everything, that someone is saying that a man is crazy, then throw him out at once. Then the man is shouting that I want to meet the king. So who wants to meet the king? That is Gopal. So the king once he calls the gatekeeper, that what is the matter, and he tells everything, that there is a madman. He wants to come to the court. So the king says that okay, let him come inside. I want to meet that madman. Why he is coming to meet me? Let me know. So in the next picture we can see that he has come inside, okay, and he is holding the fish in his hand. And then the king is saying that, oh, then people recognize him. Okay, they are saying, the courtiers are saying, oh, it's Gopal. Oh, I think that he has lost his mind. So some courtiers are saying. So even king was surprised that why my most intelligent courtier has dressed like this. So he is saying that, Gopal, what is the matter? So he says that, your majesty, it seems that you have forgotten something. So this has been said by Gopal. So the king is trying to give stress on his mind, and he is trying to remember that what he has forgotten, but he couldn't. So then Gopal says that, you remember, you gave me the challenge to bring Hilsa fish from the market, and so that, and no one should talk about that Hilsa fish till palace. But see, king, I did it. I brought this Hilsa fish. He is showing, you can see the Hilsa fish. He is showing that I have brought this Hilsa fish for you, but nobody in the market, or while coming from market to palace, or inside palace, till now nobody has talked about this fish. Everybody has talked about me. So this way I have completed the challenge. So then the king, he starts laughing, and he's happy on the intelligence of his courtier. And he says that, well, once again you have proved that you are the most intelligent courtier of my court, and you have proved that wisdom is the most important characteristics of any courtier. And he is very happy that Gopal has completed the challenge. So this is the story, children. Now few things we should know, that like I have brought some this picture of Hilsa fish. In original, the Hilsa fish looks like this, and these are the things which you must know. And there are some key points, the important points about the story, which we will revise. That this is the season for Hilsa fish. First thing we have to remember. Then everybody talks about Hilsa fish. So king orders in the court, okay, and Gopal accepts the challenge. The challenge is to bring a Hilsa fish without anyone asking about the Hilsa fish from the market to the palace. So Gopal's preparation is important. What he prepares, how he prepares himself to go to buy the Hilsa fish, and the people's reaction about Gopal, and how he makes the effort to enter the palace, because the king's men, they were not allowing, the gatekeepers were not allowing him to come inside the palace. And then we find that nobody asked about Hilsa fish, everybody was talking about Gopal. So courtiers reaction, that they thought that Gopal has gone mad. And then king asked about his this ridiculous manner of dressing up, so he reminds him about the challenge, and the king congratulates Gopal. That is the all story about that, how wisdom, how a wise person can win any kind of challenge. Okay, even the most difficult challenges a wise person can win through his intelligence and his wisdom. That is the story all about. So thank you, children.